Hey everyone, Maggie from Juma here, and welcome back to our product updates. In this video, I'm going to speak about two things only. Why is that? Because they're so big and they're so important that I want to spend the proper time to show them to you. The first one is that we connected Juma to more than 3,000 integrations. I know that it sounds like a big number and it almost sounds fake. However, it's the truth. So basically, your whole marketing stack is now in Juma. You can access your tools from this button over here in the chat input field, or you can click on the integrations button in the left sidebar. So this is the integrations menu. You can search over here, or just scroll and see what's available. We have all different types of CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, and so on. We have social media platforms, we have design tools, we have project management tools, CMS tools. So every integration works two ways. You can pull information from your tools straight into Juma, like your HubSpot contacts, your Google Sheets data, your MailChimp subscribers, and work with that data inside the chat, analyze it, or report it. And you can push things back. You can create content, send a message, update a record, and publish content. If there's a tool that you work with and it's not yet integrated into Juma, which I highly doubt, you can request an integration from this button over here. Okay, the second thing I want to announce today. This is a very requested feature and it's called custom flows. Let me give you some context in case you have missed anything. Flows are pre-built multi-step workflows that Juma runs end-to-end and hands you a finished output. We shipped hundreds of them for everything from SEO to paid ads to social content. But now custom flows take that further. Now you can build your own flow. Here is the idea. If you've done a task in Juma once and got an output worth keeping, it could be a report, a content batch, a brief, you can save that exact process, basically save your chat as a flow. From that point, anyone on your team can run it in one click. Let me show you how it works. This is a chat over here that I ran earlier today. I asked Juma to go to Meta and Google Ads and create a report for me in PDF. I ran the plan that Juma had created. This is the report. Then I asked the AI to give me some recommendations for what's improved. It did that. And then I asked Juma to write a draft message in the marketing ads channel in Slack with all the findings and recommendations. This is something that I do maybe twice a week. So instead of repeating this process every week, I will just save it as a flow. Of course, this is not a very complex flow, but I think it's something that many marketers do very often, and this will make their lives easier. I'm going to click on that button over here, which says Save as a Flow. Juma is now saving my flow. And we're done. The cross-platform paid media report has now been saved. So I'm going to open flows from the sidebar, and here it is. I can basically click on it and run the same exact thing every 2 days. I am going to go back and show you what's the idea behind. If you click here on the three dots on all of your custom flows, this is where all of your custom flows live. We have some starter flows that we have preset for you, as I said, but this is the flow we just ran, the custom flow we created. If I click on it and click on edit, you can see that there are some things that we can change over here. And these are some important settings. We have the icon and the name of the flow. Then we have the description. This is useful if you want to forward this flow to your colleagues, and the first prompt that runs. If you want to update the prompt, make it longer or improve it, you can also edit the first prompt that gets sent to the AI. You can also pin to some of your projects. Once you run the flow for the first time, over here, you will see examples from its deliverables and attachments. This could be Excel sheets, this could be CSVs, PDFs, basically the deliverables or the examples you give the AI for your flow. If you click on Advanced, you can change the instruction. This is something like a system prompt. You can basically iterate on it and add more context for the AI to know. Then you can choose the type of execution that you can do. If you click Direct, the AI will just ask you a question. You can add questions. In that way, you can kind of guide your team. In this particular flow, the question could be, which platforms do you want to cover? Do you want to cover both platforms? What is the time range that you want the report to be about? And so on. And the planned execution is where Juma plans your tasks and executes the task step by step. In this case, the first step in the plan is for Juma to discover the accounts, to pull performance data, generate recommendations, and the final phase is to draft my Slack message. Of course, if my work becomes different or I need to do more stuff, I can add some more phases over here. It could be give me the report as a presentation because I need to send some clients. And again, over here, you can add or delete questions. This covers June's product updates. We have over 3,000 integrations and we have introduced custom flows. I am very, very excited for both of this and I really hope you enjoy working with Juma. If there are any questions, just let me know. Bye bye.